Hi everyone, today I'm going to go over the instructions for your Monday lesson for week 11-16. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact us via email or Hangout. You will be completing an Edpuzzle video, a Padlet response, and there is an optional extension article. This week's objective states that you will be able to explain how variation, selection, and time all affect the process of evolution. First, you will watch this Edpuzzle video. It is a review or condensed video about the moth population that we studied last week. If you would like to view it with subtitles, press the CC option at the bottom of the video. Then you will respond, answer 3 questions, like 2 other posts, or comment on this Padlet related to the video that you just watched and your knowledge about the peppered moths that we studied last week. Please remember to sign in with your LPS account or leave your initials or name under your post so we could give you credit for your response. For step 3, this is an optional extension. You will read this article about how a specific group of people have been helped by natural selection. Please highlight important information, underline words you don't know, and bold things that confuse you. At the end, please check that you have watched and completed all the steps and highlight right here how long this lesson took you. And don't forget to click Turn In on Google Classroom. And baby Lucas says hi.